Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, there are so many makeup removing products in the market. There's the micellar water, which is latest, and it's so expensive. Then there's the makeup cleanser. Then you have the makeup removal cream, and etc. Makeup removal oil also nowadays. And all these things are quite expensive. I thought, why don't I show you how to make your own makeup remover at home, which is like the micellar water and which is really simple, not very expensive, and all these things are easily available, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's start. Things that you will need is firstly you will need Johnson's baby shampoo. This is good because it won't make your eyes watery, and it's very mild, so I like this. You can take a baby oil. You have to mix oil and shampoo and water. So this is the Johnson's baby oil, which I've completed. Only this much is left. And then I have the vitamin E capsule, which is really good for your hair and skin. And then I'm going to use aloe vera. So this is aloe vera gel. I'm going to take a container like this. This can be like your makeup remover container. You can use a bottle also. So I found this. I'm going to make it in this. So firstly, I'm going to take water. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of water to this. So about this much water. To this I'm going to add Johnson's baby oil, about half a teaspoon. To this I'm going to add Johnson's baby shampoo, about half a teaspoon again. Now we'll add aloe vera gel. It's really good for your skin. So this makeup remover is really nice. And then we add 1 capsule of vitamin E. So this is the vitamin E capsule. Now I'm just going to shut the cover, and then I'm going to mix it like this. I'm just going to shake it really well. So here you have your very own makeup remover. So I'm just going to remove my lipstick and show you. So I'm going to dip this. You can also do another thing. You can place all your makeup wipes or cotton pad in the container and then add this. But I prefer using the fresh cotton pad. So here, I'm just going to remove my makeup now. So guys, you saw how easily my lipstick came off. So guys, you all should definitely try this DIY makeup remover at home. And it's really simple. All the ingredients are easily available, and it's good for your skin because I've added vitamin E oil, and there's aloe vera, then there's all these good things. There's oil also, which is really good for your skin. So try this and let me know in the comment section below. And also I'm on Instagram, follow me there. My account is Leena Gowda Official. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.